So here at Novimmune, we're a small biotech company based in Geneva. We were founded in 1998 by an eminent immunologist, Bernard Mack, who was at the University of Geneva here. We have about 100 people on site here in Geneva. Our mission is to create new medicines in the fields of inflammatory, autoimmune disease, rare diseases and cancer. We have a lead program which we're very excited about, which is for a very rare disease which mainly affects young children. The disease is called Hemophagiocytic Lymphohistiocytosis, or HLH as we call it. In phase 2 clinical trials at the moment, shortly about to move into phase 3. It potentially could launch in 2017. And there are no medicines licensed in this area at all, so it is a groundbreaking, transformative medicine, and potential to be a transformative medicine.
It's a hyperinflammatory, fatal disease in children, and it's a hyperactivation of macrophages and lymphocytes, key cells of the immune system, which then result in a cytokine storm, which is lethal for children. Novimmune has developed NI-0501, which is a fully human monoclonal antibody which binds its target, the cytokine interferon gamma, with very high potency. And in doing so, it actually neutralizes the biological consequence of interferon gamma, which is activation of macrophages leading to the hyperinflammatory state.
The ambition at the moment is to develop a drug that will potentially be as effective as the current treatments, but with a much better safety profile. Therefore, diminishing the risk of developing infections, aggravating pancytopenia that are so often caused not only by the disease itself, but also by treatment that are currently used to treat the disease itself.
So our pipeline is made up of the lead program for HLH, but we also have a medicine a little bit further back in development, which is for rheumatoid arthritis. And the idea there is we look for a particular biomarker in patients which tell us whether they're going to respond to our medicine or not. So it has the potential to be the first personalised medicine in rheumatoid arthritis.
We've been looking at the target. We will treat that with an antibody again, but what we want to bring is a concept that we will look in the patient's blood to see if it has a marker for the target that we are going after, which is called toll-like receptor 4. So then we will have a personalized medicine approach, and this is a paradigm shift that we'd like to bring to rheumatoid arthritis.
A bit further back in our pipeline, we have a technology platform that makes bispecific antibodies. And they're going to be very useful in the future for tackling cancer by switching on the body's immune system again to actually fight the cancer naturally.
So a kappa antibody is a bispecific human antibody, so its key advantage is that it's completely indistinguishable from a natural antibody. So in contrast to other formats that have been elegantly engineered but still require a lot of engineering to achieve this bispecificity, while will have consequences on the stability of the molecules, and when they will be injected in human, they might elicit more immunogenicity or the other issues that are encountered with artificial proteins. So really the key element of the bispecific is completely natural.
Our first product for the bispecific will start clinical trials this time next year. We want to then go and use a bispecific approach to fight solid tumors. We're lifting the durable responses, the long-term responses, the cures from being 0 to 20% of the patients, and eventually we'd like to get to 50 or higher. And it's a fantastic time to be an immunologist.
I think 5 years from now, Novimmune will have successfully launched our lead program molecule for HLH. It'll have been in the market for 4 years, will have saved hundreds, if not thousands of lives. And our bispecific technology will be the industry standard for solving problems in cancer by switching on the immune system again to fight the disease.